He's really getting it. He's going to be walking by the end of the week. No doubt.
We only have 2 days. For that one.
Wow. Pretty quick, man. Maybe Lola thinks he wants to play too, and but I don't think so.
Maybe.
Because she growls when she plays.
Yeah.
He's pulling on her fur like when he's playing. Give her the monkey.
No, she likes humans.
Are you filming it? Filming it.
Oh, crap! I hit her in the face.
I thought she was going for Jordan when she went to that because I didn't see the ball. What the heck?
Okay, Lola.
Okay, I gotta shower and get in some decent clothes pretty quick, but I gotta do some work first. Let's do some work. Okay, it's almost 7. Good. Okay, I think we've heard that enough for a while. Let's take a break.
Okay, no more Lola.
No, she can sleep in, but she has privileges. I'm just suspending yours.
Okay. Jordan's gonna climb over my legs to try and get to Lola. Never mind.
Baba! Baba!
Oh. Hey, you gotta not touch Lola. Stop touching Lola. Stop. You're gonna get bit one day. You're gonna get bit, Sugar Bear.
Baba! Look over here! Walk with him across the carpet.
Stand up. Dancy. Dancy, come over there. Stand up. Walk to Grandpa. Come on. Walk. Walk to Grandpa. You stand like Grandpa now? She wants to do Humpy Bump.
Oh, come on. Let the dog... Don't encourage...
She wants to. She's biting at my arm. Look at.
God, that dog.
Stay back.
I don't remember her doing that so much.
She's done that since we lived in the field.
Well, I know, but I guess she has. I guess I hadn't seen her for a while. I tried to block it out of my mind.
No.
So, don't mess with the dog. Oh, she's having sex. Get a little honored. I get a little honored if I don't finish my mind. Take care then. Bye-bye now. Already.
Don't put that in your mouth. It's Lola's. Look at her. Look at her.
That's nasty.